Imagine waking up one morning and the world feels wrong. The wind is screaming like a jet engine. The ocean is running away from the beach, and for a moment, you think, is this the end? No meteor, no supervolcano, just one impossible event. The Earth has stopped spinning. And trust me, if you're anywhere near the equator, you're in big, big trouble. Right now, Earth spins at 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator. That's faster than a bullet train, faster than a jet, and you don't feel any of it. This rotation gives us day and night, ocean currents, weather patterns. Basically, everything that makes our planet normal. So what happens if that rotation just drops to zero? Well, everything that used to be calm and predictable turns into a wild, physics-powered nightmare. The Earth stops, but the atmosphere doesn't. Remember that 1,670 kilometers per hour speed? That's now the speed of the air slamming into the surface. Imagine the strongest hurricane on Earth. Now multiply it by 20. Skyscrapers? Gone. Planes in the sky? Absolutely not. Entire oceans? Being pushed sideways like someone just slapped the planet. If you're outside, you won't be blown away. You'll be sandblasted. With the spin gone, Earth loses something called centrifugal force. This force normally pulls ocean water toward the equator. Without it, all that water starts sliding toward the poles. In simple terms, the equator becomes dry land and the poles become mega oceans. Entire countries would drown. New land masses would appear, and some continents might split apart under the pressure. Here's the part where things get really weird. Without spinning, Earth stops having a 24-hour day. One side faces the sun forever, turning into a scorching desert. The other side stays in eternal darkness, freezing solid. The temperature difference? Over 200 degrees Celsius between the two sides. Oh, and the twilight zone, the tiny strip between day and night, becomes the only place humans might survive. The new temperature imbalance destroys global weather patterns. On the hot side, air rises non-stop. On the cold side, air collapses downward. This creates a never-ending superstorm around the twilight zone. Rain, lightning, hurricane-force winds. Every day, forever. And surviving that? Good luck. Cities collapse. Agriculture fails. Global trade disappears overnight. Humanity moves toward the twilight zone, forming a thin ring of survivors around the planet. But here's the twist. If we have enough technology, geoengineering, artificial habitats, underground cities, humans might actually adapt. Not everyone, but some. Scientists might try one insane idea: restart Earth's rotation. There is no real technology to do this. But theoretically, a massive asteroid redirect could nudge the planet back into spinning. Would it work? Maybe. Would it also destroy the planet? Also maybe. Earth's rotation is something we never think about, yet it's the reason life even exists. If it ever stopped, the results would be terrifying, but also fascinating. And if you enjoyed this journey, imagine what happens if the moon suddenly exploded. That's our next video.